As we said, the idea today is to go from basics, which is sometimes the most important actually, until the most complicated. And so the first lecture given by my colleague Marie Truyens will be about quality endoscopy in IBD patients. And with no delay, I will let her start. I just want to mention in the meanwhile that indeed after this lecture we probably have a little break, and then we will join still 2 cases that we have, live cases from patients of us that are here in the room. But please feel free to indeed send your questions via the chat, and let's try to keep this interactive. So please, Marie, the floor is yours.
Yes, thank you. So I would like to start the theoretical part of this course, where, of course, every good endoscopy starts, and that's the preparation. So IBD and endoscopy have evolved together over the last decades significantly. And